Hello everyone! Thanks for tuning in again in this video. Today I will make another birdhouse. Since I have the new nail gun, I love to make birdhouses. It's so easy. For the front and back panels I'm using reclaimed oak wood. It is from a rooftop. The panels are not wide enough, so I'm cutting them to size and then gluing them together so I have a wider panel. Once glue is dried, I can joint it so one side is flat and then I can plane it to the right thickness. For one birdhouse, I needed 3 of these panels. Cut one side straight on the miter saw, and then it was time to use my new jig for cutting the triangle. And it was a success. I was happy with it. Be sure to only sand the outside of the triangles, so the little birds have something to clamp to on the inside when they want to come out. On one piece drill the fly-in hole for the bird, and at the other piece drill 2 holes for hanging it up. Now it was time to cut up some wood for the side pieces. Luckily for me, my mom was kind enough to come and help me plane all these wooden pieces. Thanks, Mom. Cut them on the miter saw to length. Always make sure you have some extra pieces. Here I was cutting the angle for the bottom piece. Knocking off the sharp corners on the outside of the slats to give it some relief. As you can see, I'm using a spacer block for the front side of the birdhouse, so I can align them all up very nice. I already made 10 birdhouses, but then with this house I did a mistake and I aligned one side to the right and the other side to the left, if you know what I mean. So I had only one option left: make them equal length again on the table saw. I used an offcut of my triangle jig of the front and back piece to find the right angle at the bandsaw. Here you can see I cut the top pieces on the bandsaw, but that's not so easy. So for the next birdhouse I used the table saw to do that. And of course, like in each woodworking project, some sanding is involved. The birds also don't like sharp corners. For the before last pieces, you need to sand a little bit away of the inside corner, because otherwise they won't fit flat against the triangle. As I said earlier, here you can see I used a table saw to cut the angle on the top pieces. I can't tilt my table saw, but I can tilt my fence, so I solved it that way. Now it was time to go to the belt sander to make the top a little bit smoother and rounder. I also made a little door as some decoration and a little hole around the hole. For finish I used Rubio Monocoat wood cream. Just one coat and let it dry